Hello, welcome to JavaScript tutorial, chapter 11, part 4, JavaScript operators, brought to you by Ankpro Technologies. My name is Arish. In this session, we are going to learn about the operators in JavaScript. Right now, let us understand that very clearly. JavaScript includes operators as in other languages. An operator performs some operation on single or multiple operands and produce a result. And keep in mind, in the last three sessions, we learned about arithmetic operators, comparison, logical operators. Right now, we are going to understand completely about the assignment operator. So, it's time to understand the assignment operator. JavaScript includes assignment operators to assign values to variables with the less keystrokes. You have to understand this sentence very clearly. Okay, assign values to the variables with the less keystrokes. Suppose if you want to assign a value to a variable, the way you assign a value to the variable, the work it can be reduced with the help of the assignment operators. And below is a list of assignment operators. We're going to learn the advantage of using these assignment operators right now. And here is a code snippet. Like this is the example what I'm going to use in this session or in this assignment operator demo. So now let me jump into Visual Studio Code and I'll click on the file menu. I'll open the folder where I'm going to create my HTML file. This is the place. When I do that, I'll get the instance of the folder here, and within that folder I'm going to create a HTML file. I'll name the HTML file as demo.html. okay, now when I do that, okay, now let me add HTML tag, let me add a head, let me add a title. Okay, let me name that added title as demo of JavaScript. After that, let me add a body tag. Okay, now let me add a script. Type is text/JavaScript. Okay, now let me write a bit of JavaScript here. Okay, what is the bit of JavaScript I'm going to write is I'm going to show you a demo of assignment operator. So let me jump back to presentation, and this is the example I'm going to use. So first I need to create a variable, two variables x and y, and the values of 5 and 10. Let me do that first. Where x is equal to 5 and the other variable is where y is equal to 10. Okay, I'm done with that. Let me go back to presentation again, and first operator, this is equal to operator. Okay, now what is this equal to operator going to do? Okay, this equal to operator is going to assign a value to a variable. In the sense, if you want to assign a value to a variable, then I have to make use of this operator. So with the help of this operator, I'm able to store the value 5 into the variable x. Similarly, if I want to store the value 10 to the variable y, then I have to use this operator. So right now let me show you a demo of it, like alert. Before that, let me tell like x is equal to y. Okay, now here the variable is x and the variable is y. What I'm trying to do here is I'm assigning the variable y to x. So now, okay, the value 10 is stored in x instead of 5. So let me cross verify it. Let me print x. If it prints 10, okay, in the pop-up message, then the value of 10 is stored in the x. Okay, so let me go back to the folder where I've saved this page, and this is the place. When I double click on this, okay, you can observe here we'll get a pop-up message with the value 10. So what has happened right now is, okay, we're trying to store, we're trying to assign the variable y to the x with the help of this operator. So we got the output as 10. Okay, and let me show you the second operator. It's this one, that is x plus is equal to 1. Now if you want to increase the value of x by 1, now what we can do is, it's very simple. Now let me, now you observe very clearly that now the value of x is 10. Instead of, not to confuse, what I'll do is I'll just remove this. Suppose if you want to increase the value of x by 1, how do I do that? It's very simple. Let me remove this also, or let me remove this. Okay, now observe very carefully. Now if I want to increase the value of y by 1, in the sense if I want the output as 11, then I need to do like this. It's very simple. Now when I print that, when I pass that y to the alert function, we'll get the output as 11. Let me go back and let me check it. Yes, we got it as 11. But instead of writing this sentence completely, we can reduce the work by using this operator. Okay, how to do that? It's very simple. Now instead of writing these things, you have to write like plus and equal to. In the sense, you are incrementing the value of y by 1. So let me go back and let me refresh. Similarly, we got the output the same, that is 11. Okay, now if you want to decrement the value of y by 1, then I need to do like this. Y is equal to y minus 1. The output is 9. Yes, instead of writing this entire line completely like this, I can do it in another manner. Y minus equal to 1. Now the value of y is 9. Okay, and now let me show you like multiplication. Y is equal to y into 5. The output we'll get right now is 50. I can achieve this in another way with the help of assignment operator, like y star equals to 5. Let me go back and let me refresh. The output is 50. Okay, now let me try the other one. Y is equal to y divided by 5. The output will get it as 2. Yes, and I can achieve that in another manner, like y flash is equal to 5. The same output 2. Now if I want to check the remainder, then I have to make use of the modulus operator. Y modulus of 5. I'm dividing 10 by 5, so the remainder will be 0. 5 2s are 10. So this modulus operator is going to provide us the remainder. So when I do this, I'll get the remainder as 0. Okay, I can achieve this in another manner with the help of assignment operator. Modulus is equal to, let me go back and let me refresh, the same output. What we learned in this session is like how to use the assignment operators and how to assign the values to the variables with the very less keystrokes. Instead of writing the complete sentence, with the help of these operators, we can achieve the assignment function. Okay, and that's what we learned in this session. We also saw a beautiful demo. And finally, thank you for listening. Have a great day. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Ankpro Training. You can also like our Facebook page visiting these URLs. You can also follow us on Twitter. For further reference, refer our websites. We are on LinkedIn too. Last but not the least, please don't forget to give the feedback. Thank you. Have a great day.